Here's a quick video of the Jeep Wrangler I have for sale. Just gonna do a quick walk around. It's a soft top. There's a subwoofer and an amplifier in the back. Kind of dirty and gross. The subwoofer is. A little cleaning up, it'd be okay. The carpet in the back is a little dirty, could use a cleaning. Has a soft top in it, works on it, I should say, works great. All the zippers, no holes, works well. Decent tires. Got a scratch here on the door, not bad. The door inside. Is inside. It's got a sound bar with Polk audio speakers and an aftermarket stereo. The seats in the interior are in very respectable condition, I would call it. Not perfect. It is a used Jeep, but overall, here's the head unit that it has. Has the auxiliary input as well here. Back seat, carpet. It's got the custom fit floor liner, rubber mats. The floorboards are in really good shape. There's no rot. Maybe just a little bit around the weep holes, but it's been treated with rust prevention and whatnot. It's never had any patchwork done on the floors. In the back, I believe, under the carpet over near one of the bottoms of the roll bar had I don't know, maybe a couple inch size hole that had gone through, that had rusted through. Very minimal, not an issue by any stretch the way it is. Most TJs, unless it's been from the south or completely garaged, have some rot on them. But overall, this is a 98. It's got 160,000 miles on it. Got a little dent right there. Just kind of showing more the bad parts of it. It looks like somebody has done a little patch on the bottom of the door there on the tub, but other than that, the fenders are in decent shape. A couple little rust bubbles starting here and there. It's not perfect. Let me turn the key. I'll get you the mileage here, the actual mileage. Turn it one more. Has air conditioning. The radio sounds really good with the top down, doors off. Going down the highway, you can actually hear it well. There's the actual mileage, 160. No check engine light, anything like that. Good oil pressure, runs great. Doesn't leak or burn any fluids. Four-wheel drive works as it should. The transmission is great, shifts well. Had a clutch 30, I think it was 38,000 miles ago. It had a clutch and flywheel, a complete trying to figure out how to get the key out. Here we go. Had a complete clutch redone, installed. I have the receipt for that as well. The frame has had it still has some needs some attention. It's got some rust holes in it. Overall, for what it is, it's actually pretty good. This side has already been cleaned up and repaired and painted. It's still got a hole there and a hole and starting to some rot down there that will possibly be patched and fixed or not. This here has already been redone. It's been cut out with a new piece of metal, and the inside of the frame all treated around it, and and none of the mounts or anything structural as far as that go have been an issue yet, even though that's rotted near the mount. Again, that's we're going to cut out that section, those couple of pieces in this side, and replace the metal, and then treat the inside and the outside of the frame. It's actually just on the flat, easy spots of the frame that it rotted through, which is actually not that bad considering some of the other ones I've seen. I've seen a lot of cheap TJ frames. All up here is good. This is right here, another rot hole. This is like how the other side was. It's already been cut out and repaired. This one will be as well. And then the hole here as well. But the rest of it, this body mount is also needing to be repaired. The tub itself is decent. I think just that one body mount looks pretty bad. It's got a little rust on it, but overall, you can see there's no leaks. That water right there is from the air conditioner being on. And then the bottom rail right here, we're putting new metal in. It's all going to be welded up nicely, like the other piece is, so you really can't. I mean, somebody that knows, you can look and tell, but other than that, by an untrained eye, you can look and it'll be nice and clean and rust free and solid. The frame, tires are in decent shape. The wheels are in respectable condition, a little bit of flaking, but they look good overall. I'll pop the hood. It's had all its services done. Everything under the hood is in good condition, nice and clean. You know, a little surface rust here and there on some things, but the main supports and all around, it's really a pretty rust-free Jeep, certainly for this area. I believe it's a 2-owner, but a little bit of rust here and here, but certainly not a rusted out basket case by any means. Engine's nice and clean. Air conditioning, like I said, works great. It has a recent battery. It has the amplifier under the rear seat for the subwoofer, all hooked up and sounds decent. And you know, got some surface rust here and there. Original shocks and springs. So, but overall, like I said, it's a good Jeep with a couple of things that need to be finished up on the frame. It's, you know, plenty drivable. I drive it every day. It's registered, inspected, and insured. I drive it every day the way it is, without issue. It's got a recent newer trailer hitch on the back. If you were to pull something with it, it's got the 4-liter, so it's got enough power to tow some smaller trailers. And as it is, it's a good daily driver. You know, you could leave it as it is now, the way it is, or like I said, I may get the rest of the frame welded up to make the frame perfect, and you know, the price would go up then, obviously. But the way it is now, you know, if this video even goes up, I don't know yet. I haven't decided whether I'm going to it's the most recent sticker. I'm not sure if I'm gonna, you know, offer to trade or sell it the way it is, or finish it up and, you know, get the most money out of it. With the 160,000 miles is, you know, very, very minimal for these engines. Let me go ahead and start it up. Actually, just got a little water on the belt that might squeak a little bit, but it'll go right away if it does. Oops. Should probably take it out of gear before I let the clutch out. And as you can see, all the gauges work. Runs nice and smooth, got decent oil pressure. No issues there. And you have the motor or not, but nice and smooth. And overall, like I said, the interior is in decent condition. It's got the tilt steering wheel option. It has cruise control that does work. There's the radio, as I mentioned, again. And then it's got a couple of rips on the side of the seat here. I actually have ordered a little vinyl repair kit that's just a clear adhesive that's supposed to help patch that up a little. It won't be perfect, but it'll certainly be a lot better and not allow any water to get in there, because the rest of the seats are, you know, it's got a couple little bit here and there, but for the most part they're respectable. Certainly you could either put seat covers on them the way they are now, and all the foam and everything is good and they'd look really nice. Or you could replace the seats, obviously car seat not included. Again, there's the sound bar with the upgraded speakers. So, all right, any questions, let me know. Thanks for your time.